So the first thing to do is to add an image onto our page. You can use an image that you uploaded, or you can work with one that's already available in Elements. For this demonstration, I'll use images from the Elements tool in Canva. So this will be my first image, and then I want to resize it nicely so that it fits on our page. Hold and drag. Okay, that's fine. So now from the menu we want to click on edit, and then under Magic Studio we are looking for a tool called Magic Grab. So this is the tool that we're going to use, and then we click on the object of interest in our image and then click on grab. So this can take a few seconds to work, so let's give it a few moments so that it completes. Okay, that is done. As you can see, the image is now separate from the rest of the background, right? So what you can do, you can just set that as the image background, and then we click on our object, and then we go back again to the menu. We want to work with the edit section, and then once in this window you want to select on adjust, and then you scroll down until you get to the color edit section. So you need to choose the color of this sweater that you want to change, right? So that's the color there. We work with that, and then once we have this menu coming up, we can then select, right? Okay, you can also change the saturation a bit. You can play around with this until you get a color that you want. So yeah, this is our image, and as you can see, the color has changed from the original, which was pink, to blue. I'll add another page for our second image, and for that image I'll use this one. Again, I'll resize it nicely so that it can fit onto the page. Hold and drag. Okay, again, the thing to do right is to go to the edit menu. Right, once there, we're looking for Magic Grab. Right, then we select our object and then click on grab, and then we give it a few moments to work. Okay, so it's done. So we select our object. As you can see, now it's removed from the rest of the background, and then go back to the edit menu, and then we select adjust, and then we scroll all the way down to the color edit, and then we select the current color, right, and then we change it. Let's make that blue, and then change the saturation. So this is how you can change the color of an object in Canva. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Do remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.